How to replace the display panel assembly top cover. Before you begin, remove the service door, battery, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, wireless WAN module, and base enclosure. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless LAN antenna, wireless WAN antenna, touchscreen, and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the plastic shielding that covers the wireless LAN connectors. Carefully disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from the system board by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Caution. Use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Remove the wireless LAN and wireless WAN antenna cables from the routing channel on the right fan. Disconnect the touchscreen cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the two 2mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel connector bracket to the system board. Remove the display panel connector bracket. Disconnect the display panel cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the display panel and touchscreen cables from the routing channel on the left fan. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open it approximately 90 degrees. While supporting the top cover, remove the three 6.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the three 6.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Slide the alignment pins on the top cover out from the display panel hinges and remove the top cover. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.